Hi there. Based on our research, the GameOn partners have produced 7 models to approach game design. The transformative approach is one of them. Usually, the transformative process is practiced in non-formal education settings. Young people enroll with a predefined objective to create one or more games. Young people get involved in most phases of the game design process. The primary goal is to learn about the game design process, develop participants' competencies, and create games that promote social inclusion among other young people. Following the transformative approach, young people get involved in the following stages of the game design process: developing a game concept, game development, game testing, dissemination, and multiplying. Usually, young people get involved in collaborative group work for each specific game. They put their knowledge and skills into action to create and validate the game content. Participants feel connected to the topic and purpose of the game. For a group, it is essential to end up with a tested and playable game and use it with other groups. This game design approach lasts from 3 full days of work to 2 months to develop games, combining theory and practice. Transformative game design most often involves staff members from non-governmental organizations, youth centers participants, and higher education students. Participants' profile is heterogeneous and varies depending on the project's objectives. Volunteers, youth workers from non-governmental organizations, formal education staff members, and expert trainers may get involved. Usually, transformative game design includes training courses or workshops with a predefined program. This model offers specific training on the game potential and game-based learning, the game design process, and general topics that games will focus on. Participants are supported by 1 or more group facilitators and expert trainers. The relationship among the participants is as meaningful as the resulting game. These are some personal, social, and civic competencies young people can develop in transformative game design projects. You can further explore examples of transformative game design. Join a learning playlist on methodological models in game design.